Welcome to the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, woodworking with an Appalachian flair.
This is Gerald Vance with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, bringing you another shop tip. When I need to apply glue down into a cavity, a groove, a mortise, or even dovetails or box joints, it's nice to have a brush to put it down in there. The cheapest ones I find are the ones in the plumbing section, but the bristles are just a little bit too long. So I just take a pair of scissors and trim the bristles back. Now it makes it easy to get down into the groove. This is Gerald Vance with another shop tip from the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, reminding you, be proud of your Appalachian heritage.